Hi, my dear fragrance friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm very happy, guys, to come back to you again. And today, guys, it's a big day. Yesterday, I was talking about Zara's, this fashionably London perfume. So I opened that one for you guys yesterday. But today, it's a magical day, guys. Today, I will open Mocha Wood for you. Mocha or Mocha Wood. It's by the Fragrance World. This Fragrance World brand, maybe you know or maybe you don't know, but guys, like, they do these type of dupes of, Barakkat perfumes. I have this no, they make dupes of Baccarat, but the one that they do is Barakkat, and I have this Amber Eve, and I enjoy it very much. I really enjoy it very much, guys. And I think you might be able to find some kind of nice perfumes in this particular brand, although my first experience wasn't great, because first time, guys, I bought this type of Amir Al Oud, guys. I bought from Fragrance World and not from Latafa, and that particular perfume seemed to be a bit too much, and I kind of was more suspicious about this brand. I wasn't sure if I will like anything else, but because I like very much, guys, this Barakat Amber Eve, guys. And I want to open now. I want to open Mocha Wood. When I will open this perfume, you will immediately, guys, see how beautiful is the bottle. It will be very tempting, guys, to look at the bottle and even maybe to buy for yourself, only if the smell is nice. I bought this perfume because one of the subscriber was commenting me and asking me if I have this perfume, what do I think about this perfume? And also some people, were writing that this perfume is very nice too, and that's why, guys. And the bottle is beautiful, so that's why I bought it. I will open it for you guys. Fragrance World perfume. Fragrance World perfume. The box is very nice, guys. Mocha Wood is very nice, the box. I can feel something. What I feel seems a bit too much, but let's open it and let me show you how this bottle looks like. This bottle, guys, looks beautiful, although looks a bit masculine too. Let's say I haven't checked, guys, is this perfume more suitable for man or for woman? I haven't checked it, guys, but I really hope that I think that subscriber that was writing me, she was a lady, the name was a lady name, so I kind of bought it. So I don't know, looks kind of a little bit masculine to me. What do you think, guys? The bottle is very nice, this type of bottle. Let's have a look, guys, at this particular bottle, like this. Mocha Wood, this type of bottle, like this. I don't know what they are duping with this particular perfume. I have no idea. Mocha Wood, guys. Maybe from the side you can see more. It's beautiful. It's pretty big, guys. Like, from here I cannot feel much. It's supposed to be, I think it's supposed to be, the woody type of perfume. Let's see what it says. It says, guys, eau de parfum. It says, let's see what's the expiry date. So it was produced in March 2021 and expires in March 2026. Just in case, guys, I tell you that fact. So that's it. Very nice, very nice bottle. I read it for you right now. What, let's say, I couldn't find on the Fragrantica, unfortunately, this particular thing. Let me read it for you. What it says. It says, guys, I read it for you. The perfume. What does the mocha smells like? So the perfume opens with a nice coffee note, surrounded by hints of hazelnut, saffron, rhubarb. So rhubarb is a bit that acidic type of note, and then ylang ylang. So you see there is type of coffee note and like a nuts note, and then saffron, rhubarb, and even floral type of notes as well. The heart is another nice sandalwood and tobacco along with the tonka bean. So there is quite a lot sweet notes and even tobacco, guys. I don't know what type of mixture is that. Patchouli, those type of a lot of deep notes. So this perfume doesn't seem like will be fresh. It will be deeper perfume, maybe more heavier. I don't know, guys. And even rose. Oh my god, guys, they even put rose as well. The perfume settles on a powdery benzoin base, surrounded by hints of hints of Indian oud, fir, cyprol, and gaiac wood. So, guys, it's a lot of things is going on, you know. And then there is a question. No, no. No, the question is another question. So let's see, guys. I will spray it for you. I'm a bit afraid because a lot of notes, like deep notes, patchouli, there is oud, there is coffee, there is like, there is acidic rhubarb, and there's a lot of other, what is there, like even saffron they put, oh my goodness, tonka beans, kind of sweet, and patchouli and rose. Anyway, guys, the cap looks masculine to me, you know, but this perfume is unisex. I remember it was saying unisex. Let's see, guys. I don't know. Let's spray. I will spray, guys. I will spray. One is enough. First smell reminded me of oud mood, but with different notes. Not the same, but now sweetness comes out and floral notes. Floral notes. Let's see, guys. I do one more time, okay? Let me do one. So kind of I saw it's changing. The perfume was changing, guys. The perfume was changing. Let's say a little bit heavy, you know. It's not light perfume. There's that type of maybe gaiac wood comes out or something. Little bit heavy, guys. And probably need to wait, you know. There's alcohol type of smelling thing. But yeah, I can feel, guys, it settled in. That first spray that I sprayed, it settled in, you know. It becomes more bearable, perhaps, you know. Maybe that, I don't know, what do I feel? Maybe that hazelnut, like nutty type of notes, or coffee. It's confusing. There are so many notes, guys. It's very difficult even to know what it is. So, rose, hazelnut, coffee, and something like a hint of either wood or hints of that oud, you know. What's interesting is that died out, you know, that sharp feeling was dying out pretty quick. Like on this particular initial type of initial type of impressions, you know, doesn't make me say that, oh, this perfume is wow. It doesn't make me say that, but things can change within time. It's not repulsive, guys. Like, for example, because it's worth waiting through, because it might become something like this, you know, because you know, it's nice to have perfume that would be wearable. It died off, or maybe I became nose blind. Now I just feel like a hint of rose, you know, like shekel sujuk, you know, that type of feeling, rose with oud. That's what I feel. I feel hints of shekel sujuk, but very light hints mixed with some kind of hazelnut type of smooth feeling. And it died off. I need to check, is it really died off, or am I just nose blind, guys? I wonder how does it, what type of that scent bubble would that make? Because let's see, if somebody's passing through me, like, interesting, guys. It just simply dies off, and I cannot feel anything else. Let's see. It's only first impressions, guys. Only first impressions. Yeah. So when you spray it, it's quite pretty strong. When you spray it, it releases all those Gaia wood. It seems like as if there would be some kind of citrus note, but I don't see any notes there. This type of rose. I can see the rose, guys. Imagine oud mood, but a bit lighter. Kind of mixed. Imagine oud mood mixed with, but super duper light, like hints of oud mood mixed with little bit shakel sujuk. So there is that sweetness, and you can feel oud and the rose, type of situation. And sprinkle with that hazelnut, whatever, like hazelnut spread, I don't know, guys. I don't know if this perfume will be very much liked by me, but it's not repulsive. It's not repulsive. Maybe it's a good thing that it's dying off, because otherwise, if it wouldn't die off, would be a bit too strong. I want to find, is there any more, guys? Let me see. I'm looking. There is nothing on Fragrantica. I cannot see anything. So the same: coffee, hazelnut, saffron, patchouli, sandalwood, benzoin, gaiac wood. Nothing more. Nothing more. I cannot see much more, guys. People, that subscriber was saying is very nice. I think man can wear it too. Maybe to layer it, but with what to layer it, I don't know, guys. I will experience it more, guys. Maybe there will open some kind of magic in this perfume that I cannot see right now, which very often can happen. Nutty, very like disappeared, if it disappeared like oud mood scent, this is disappearing, very hints of it, left. So let's say if you maybe don't like oud mood because it's too strong, which I think is too strong for me, is this one that type of situation? It's not, let's say, you can feel it's Middle Eastern, it's not like kind of like it's not too Middle Eastern, but it's very nice, guys. Not too Middle Eastern. It's kind of, there's that type of wearability factor. You can really feel that Sheikh Sujuku vibe in it, little bit diluted by many times. So little bit of this, little bit of that, and then, guys, you can imagine what this perfume smells like, Now, it doesn't make me feel like wow, but let me see, guys. I will spray on my clothes, just to see how it feels. But the bottle is nice. Everything is nice, guys. I will come back to you guys. Let me know. Maybe you guys have this perfume. Do you have this perfume yourself? Maybe you think about it somehow different. How do you find it, guys? Let me know. I really want to know your experience about this perfume, and also maybe you could explain if it's worth buying, while I'm just discovering myself. It's first time so far. I wouldn't be able to say that, yeah, guys, buy it. I cannot say that yet, but anyway, guys, I'll be back to you. See you soon. Bye bye.